Pass the tag end of the leader through the eye of the hook and start wrapping it around the hook shank. Make tight, even wraps, about 8 to 12 turns, depending on the thickness of the line. Pinch firmly with your fingers to hold everything in place. Take the tag end and pass it back through the eye of the hook again. Hold the knot in place and make a few more wraps with the tag end. I usually make the same number of wraps as in the beginning, but you can make 4 to 6 or more. Lock the egg loop, then wet the line to avoid friction and prevent line damage during the process. Now pull on the looped tag end of the line to set the knot. Then trim the short tag end close to the knot. Pull the loop open. Place the bait, like shrimp, yarn, or fish eggs, inside. And then tighten it down so it holds firmly. All set, your egg loop knot is ready.